So a lot of people will tell you that you should invest in a boutique fund house, and because these have lower AUMs and these are smaller in size. But today we'll be discussing about top 4 reasons why you should choose a large AUM fund rather than choosing a boutique fund house. I'm not saying that boutique fund houses are bad. We are just discussing the counterpoints, like why you should choose large AUM funds and how they will help you. So the number one advantage that you have is a proven track record and trust. So a large AUM means that already there are a lot of investors in that fund, and they trust the fund. So it's a sign of performance consistency and a proven track record. And they have built some credibility over time. So that also reflects if you choose a fund with a larger AUM. The second advantage that you have is better resources and research. So if you are going with a larger AUM fund, there would be large AUM. Large AUM gives the fund house the budget for better research teams, better fund managers, and access to deep market insights. So this is the second advantage that you have if you choose a fund with a larger AUM. Number third advantage is lower expense ratio. So large AUMs can spread fixed costs over a bigger pool, resulting in potentially lower cost for upcoming investors or new investors or all the potential investors. So larger AUM fund gives you a better fee structure. But fee structure is not the only criteria for choosing a PMS. But the fourth point is stability and long-term vision. So big AUM funds aren't chasing short-term gains. So they are looking for something long-term where they can create alpha and generate wealth for their clients. They aim for long-term sustainable growth aligned with serious investors. So these are the main points why you should consider large AUM funds. But boutique fund houses also come with their own advantages and disadvantages. And large AUM funds, we have talked about the advantages of large AUM funds, but there are certain disadvantages also that we'll be discussing in a separate video. So this was all about why you should be choosing large AUM funds. But it depends from person to person how comfortable he is. If he wants to invest in a larger AUM fund, then obviously he can do that. But if you are okay with the boutique fund house, then you are okay to do that as well. So let me just tell you a little background about what we do. So Bharat Alternates is a platform where we have access to all the PMSs, mutual funds and AIS which are there in India. So in case if you are looking to invest in any of these products, we are the distributors of these products. You can get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.